I'm Brian Wolford, VP of Engineering and one of the principals at ACI. Today we're here to talk about the importance of basis of design. It's one of ACI's and Price Industries' goals for 2021. For me, it's always been a point of pride. It's your way of saying, this is who I want to partner with, this is who we're going to have success with. But that has to be earned.
My name is Keith Glash. I'm the president of ACI. And someone asked me, why should I choose Price Industries as basis of design? And I have great reasons why. I think about ACI and Price, and I think about the people we've added and the people at Price Industries who just work so well with us. You know, we've added 10 people alone in the last year, and our facilities in Seattle and in Portland are fantastic. 40,000 square feet, tons of laydown space here. We've tripled our Portland size. The Spokane team has a great facility. You know, customers really trust us for that, and Price is such an integral part of that.
We at Price, over the past 40 years, have invested in research facilities to ensure that our products, as we present them to our engineering customers and owners, will work first time, every time, right out of the box. We began building labs back in the 70s, and over the years have now accumulated 19 testing chambers in a 30,000 square foot research complex we call Price Research Center North. And in this facility, every product we build is tested, validated, and the data is published exactly as the product performs. With our own labs and our name standing behind the product, for sure, it's a guarantee from me personally that every Price product will perform exactly as we say it will.
Working in the Pacific Northwest is awesome because we get to work with some of the smartest and sophisticated engineers. And I can say that because I'm fortunate enough to be involved in rep councils where I get to see nationwide what's being done as far as code, product, and other challenges. And we do really have the best and brightest out here. In kind, we have a partner in Price Industries that is equally as forward-thinking, making investments in products like sensible fan power terminals and chill beams. But more importantly, making investments in the testing of those products. There is tons of people hours, brick and mortar lab testing that goes along with that. When you see selections come from ACI and Price Industries, know that's rooted in empirical data, people hours, brick and mortar testing, so you can really count on that data when you design.
A number of years ago, we decided we would document the engineering fundamentals around the products that we build and provide application support for in the HVAC industry. We felt it was important that there was an understanding amongst everybody on what those fundamentals were and how the products work according to fundamental engineering principles developed over the years. So we wrote the engineering textbook on this, which we call the Price Engineer's Handbook, and have now issued over 30,000 printed copies to engineers around North America and around the world. By so doing, we've laid on the line the science of our products, which is validated in our own research labs. And now this science is being taught in engineering schools in multiple locations as a curriculum on HVAC fundamentals. At Price, delivering first-class service to a level far superior to any competitor requires that we invest ahead of the curve with production equipment and research labs and science to make sure that everything we say will happen, every promise on delivery will happen as we say, and in fact, without any doubt, our products comply with the latest codes and engineering standards published by the rating agencies. ACI is very aligned with our thinking. That is to say, they are the thought leader in their market area, much like we are in a general sense with our research labs and engineering handbook. They make a concerted effort to bring their customers to our various technical centers, whether it be in Phoenix area or in Atlanta, and as well up to Price Research Center North, and are determined to have satisfied customers with jobs performing exactly in accordance with the engineering data we publish.
Just in our warehouses alone, we have almost $1 million worth of Price Industries product in stock. GRDs, VAVs, parts for VAV boxes, and now they're all available on our web stores. You can order 24 hours a day, see the orders you've placed online, and frankly, make your project be easier. So if I'm a consulting engineer, I'm laying out a project, it's easy to choose Price as basis of design.
Recently, we had the privilege of presenting to the Puget Sound ASHRAE chapter, where we did a presentation called Elevated hybrid chilled water systems. And what it was a DOAS system with decoupled heating and cooling using both sensible fan power terminals and chill beams. What I liked about that presentation is it showed our passion, our capabilities, and our technical prowess. And as such, we've had a lot of success with that system, especially with tech office high-rise, where we're base to design. Which brings us back to the original point of being base to design. We want to be your basis of design. We want you to lean on ACI and Price Industries, tap into our background, our history, our track record, whatever you want to call it. End of the day, we want to be your go-to person. We want to be your partner for success. So with that said, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day and thank you for your consideration.